Very good evening. Welcome to the presentation of this match between Rangpur Riders and the Chittagong Kings in the Dutch Bangla Bank Bangladesh Premier League, powered by Rocket, co-sponsor Nexus Pay. Right, we've had a match which had it all. A lot of runs and a lot of wickets too, but eventually the Rangpur Riders, who batted first, have won it convincingly by 33 runs. Well done to them, 8 out of 8, and by virtue of that, they move into the playoffs. So that's a very, very good performance by the Rangpur Riders. It's my pleasure to introduce you to our presentation party here today. Mr. Ranjan Bora, the Vice President and Manager of Agrabad branch of the Dutch Bangla Bank, is here. Next to him, Mr. Mohammad Akram Khan, former captain of the Bangladesh national cricket team and also director of the BCB. Next to him, Mr. Farooq-e-Azam, who's Beat Pratik, a valiant freedom fighter, advisor of the Ministry of Liberation, War Affairs and Ministry of Disaster Management and Relief of the Government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh. Next to him, Mohammad Taslimuddin, sponsor of the Chittagong Kings. Alongside him, Mr. Ashrafur Rahman, who's a courageous student who was injured during the historic July-August movement for Bangladesh. As part of the Bangladesh Cricket Board's tribute, we recognize his sacrifice and unwavering spirit. Thank you all for being here with us. Dutch Bangla Bank Player of the Match, no-brainers. For his all-round performance with the bat, with the ball, Khushdil Shah is our Player of the Match. Khushdil, if you'd like to come across and collect that check of 1 lakh taka, 59 of 28 balls, 2 for 7 sixes, and 2 for 23 with the ball. And I'd like to request Shanian Tamim to come across and interpret for us once he comes across. So Khushdil, if you please. Congratulations, wonderful job. And once again, you've come as a player of the match. Performance with the bat and ball under difficult conditions.
जी बिल्कुल, और सबसे पहले मैं अल्लाह ताला का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ। और ये है कि आज का विकेट थोड़ा सा डिफ़िकल्ट था क्योंकि आज थोड़ा सा बाउंसी टाइप बॉल आ रहा था, तो हमने यही सोचा कि एंड तक लेके जाए और थोड़ा सा टाइम ले, हैरे सिंगल डबल ना हो जाए उसका कोई वो नहीं है, लेकिन हम वो एंड तक लेके जाएंगे, फिर बड़ी हिटें भी लग सकती है और हमने अच्छा टोटल सेट किया।
What he's saying is basically the cricket was a bit weak, tricky today, and it was bouncing a bit. So he wanted to take the game deep, and once you go deep, he was confident that he would score some runs and make sure that there's a fighting total in the board, which eventually happened.
Absolutely, that's exactly what happened. And when you came into bowl, defending a middling total is not the easiest thing to do. But the manner in which he bowled today was, with the support he got from the other bowlers, was very nice to watch.
जी बिल्कुल, जिस तरह 10-12 ओवर हो गए तो हमने यही सोचा कि हम 160-150 के बीच में से रन हो जाए या 170 हो जाए तो हमारे लिए अच्छा टोटल होगा, क्योंकि हमारी बॉलिंग स्ट्रेंथ जो है वो बहुत अच्छी है। तो बस यही कोशिश थी कि हम 150 प्लस कर गए तो इंशाल्लाह हम मैच पे वापसी आ सकते हैं।
He had total faith in basically his bowling attack, because we have proven it throughout the tournament that we have a strong attack. So on his batting, he wanted to make sure that we get 150 plus score, which he had a trust on our bowling attack, that eventually if we get those runs, then eventually our bowling attack with the strength we have will eventually get to the final line.
You prevailed. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Good luck to you. Thank you, Shania. Right, that's Khushdil Shah, the player of the match. Now the winning captain, Nurul Hassan Sohan of the Rangpur Riders. This is a test of your temperament. Very, very impressive. You come out from a position where you're under pressure, and the manner in which all your players put up their hands is so heartening as a captain for you.
Yeah, definitely what I said earlier, that we need to play as a team, and I think we need to believe in ourselves and just need to follow the process. And honestly, from our team management and coaching staff doing really great job for us.
Yes, indeed. Stephen Taylor got you off to a flyer, and Khushdil, we talked about it. Even Mehdi Hassan with 17 of 12 really put the icing on the cake in terms of runs when you seem to be falling short.
Yeah, definitely. The first time we batted in this wicket, the wicket was a little bit tricky. The ball didn't come to bat properly, but I think Khushdil batted really well, and he set the tone for us. And in this wicket, what we talk in the dressing room, that it's very difficult to chase in this wicket because the wicket was a little bit of tricky.
Yeah, and then when you came into bowl, all your bowlers, Kushdil did it, but Akif Javed really bowled with a lot of power, heart.
Yeah, definitely. Throughout the tournament, he bowled really well for us, and he's just hitting the deck very hard. So I think he will do it in the next matches also. And we need to go in a long process, so we are looking for it.
Well, you're halfway there because you've already qualified for the playoffs, so that's a good feeling to have.
Alhamdulillah.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you, sir.
Good luck. All right, that is the winning captain, and that is all from down here.
Outstanding cricket from Rangpur Riders. But yeah, after a day's break, we'll be back again. Fortune Boishal will take on Chittagong Kings. Match number 25 starting early at 1:15. And then in the second match, Durbar Rajshahi will take on Khulna Tigers, the second match of the day. Right, till then, see you then.